Hi guys, it's Jodie from Homepeel, and today is a very exciting day because I'm going to show you Homepeel's brand new, very exciting pink clay mask. So who doesn't like a mask? So I've been asked for a long time to bring out a mask, and here it finally is, and isn't it gorgeous? Okay, so pink clay, it draws out the impurities, so it's really good for if you've got clogged pores or excess oil. It's fantastic for that straight away. So I'm just going to talk about the clay mask, and most of my clients and most of you know about pink Australian pink clay. So it's a mixture of white kaolin clay and red iron oxide clay. Okay, so I'm just going to open it up and show you in here now. Inside this, it also included in the ingredients, of course, is coconut milk, which is fantastic for hydrating. It has the aloe vera, which is also very hydrating and soothing and replenishing. It has calendula in it, which is so well known for its amazing healing properties and anti-inflammatory properties. So it kind of balances out. I mean, clay masks are not aggressive, but they do a pretty good job of drawing things out, so it can leave your skin a little bit red. So basically we've got that amazing calendula in it to balance that out. And of course it's fragrant. Oh my gosh, smell that? It smells amazing. It's fragranced with some beautiful lavender. So I'm not going to put it on today because that would take a while, and I think we all know how it all rolls, but it comes in the powder, as you can see. So I'm just going to pop a little bit in here just to show you how that goes, and you just put a tiny little bit of water in there, or you can water's best actually. I mean, you could try and do it a bit more fancy, but you really don't need to. I'm just going to put a little bit of water in there. That should be enough. Now it comes with a really useful fan brush, so let me just sort of, it's hard to sort of see and show you, so I'll just, yeah, okay, there you go, look at that. Okay, that's perfect. Look at that. So it's all on your brush. So I'm just going to pop a little bit on just to give you a bit of an idea, but I think we all know how to put a mask on with a brush. It's pretty straightforward. But here we go. I would just sort of start brushing. There you go. Now you would let that sit for at least 20 minutes, but you'll actually know when to take it off because it'll be completely dry, and then just wash it off. Okay, well, here you go, I'm going all the way. Anyway, that's all I'm going to do. So you let that dry, and then if you want, just jump into the shower and wash it off, and you're just going to have that beautiful illuminated gorgeous glow underneath. Now I recommend using it at least once a week, and it's just so good at drawing out the impurities in your pores, which is what everybody wants to do. Have a great day.